Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Royal Match account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Royal Match game. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Support button. Then select My Game Progress option. Then select Account Deletion. Go through the information first. Then tap on the inbox icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. In the message box, type in Delete My Account. And then send the text to the Royal Match support team. It will notify you that deleting your game account means deleting all of your data. Then select a response at the bottom right. If you want to continue deleting your account, tap on Yes. And if not, tap on No button. Then your account will be deleted within 7 days. You can uninstall the game to delete the data that is stored on your device. And this is how you can delete your Royal Match account. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.